Good morning! Ayan guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tongchong Station. Ayan. Exit A. Kasi papunta tayo doon sa Ngongping Trail. Yung Rescue Trail. Ito tayo exit A. Tapos turn right. Turn right. Yan guys. Diretsuhin natin to guys. So guys, sundan lang natin tong part na to guys. Kung saan sila makakarating na. So, pasukin natin tong tunnel na to guys. Paglinaw. Hala, ito ba yun? Guys, diretso lang tayo. Tapos, ayan, sundan natin to. Sundan yan sila siguro dyan. So, ayan dito. Cross it. Pasok. Isang tunnel na kulay green. Dito tayo guys. Ang ganda. Tika. So guys, akyat. Guys, follow lang natin to guys. Yan. Recording audio. Ay, pumugamit ko ng Bluetooth, narinig pa siya. Bluetooth. Oh. This is the sign, guys. Go down to the stairs. Let's follow the Tong O entrance hill. Yeah. Go down. So we go down, guys. Sana all red. Bakit red ang day today? Yellow and brown. Red day? Ayun! Nakita ko na yung people car. So let's follow this lady wearing red sweater. What's your name? Kael. Kael. Si Kael eh? Uy! Tika! Saan? Dito I think. Left side guys. Left side. Just follow. Happy chill. Ito yata yun. Restaurant. Ayan na siya. Huh? We're already here guys. Just follow the shallow one trail. Yeah. And guys, don't miss the way. Shallow one trail. Oh, hugas na muna! Ano guys, public toilet kung kung gusto nyong gumamit ng toilet, mayroon dito. Wangwo Temple Public Toilet. May park din sila dito. Woohoo! Ayan si Damsik Ferry. Damsi! Video. Yes. Okay. Ate, So, hey guys, mayroon ditong playground. So let's follow this way again. Ayan. So here guys. Dito ako guys mag-crossover. Yeah. Shortcut. Shortcut. Yan tayo guys eh. Pinapa-exit yung buhay. This is the Hong Kong Playground Association. So guys, here we go. Hintayin mo sila dyan, Damsi. Ate, diretso dali. Depend on the clothes you wear. I think so. Oh yeah.
Ang ganda dito, Dam. Pag-uutsyang ka lang.
Madami din palang pumupunta dito. Nandun na si ate, nauna na. So guys, yan yung cable car. So dyan tayo pupunta. I see. I already see the destination over there.
Tell me why you left me bleeding.
Damsi, can you take video for me? Ay, look at this dam. Ay, look at this dam. Ay, wow. Don't go there. Just go in the left.
Ng bridge na yun. O, ayan, left. O, diba?
May video ba tayo dyan?
Yes. Ayan o, pagkalampasan na sinatipicture tayo. Alright, let's go.
Ayan, basurahan.
Mamaya, alisin na yung basurahan. Ibig sabihin, inurok yung basurahan na ano na naman yung trail. Ayun na lang talaga, yung last na.
The main entrance going to Ngongping Rescue Trail. It's normal. You go high. Ate. Ate. So beautiful. Uy, ginoo ko. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive.
So guys, we did it. Triggers. One up one. First station. Okay. There's a picture. Hello. Para. Para. Para po.
Defies the sea. The wolf of Westmarch hides its spoils.
Shut out. Boleh sakay.